Pools will be real Manish Yadav.
He needs to lead from the front. Along
Will be Mulchan Sahu. Let's promo cut was is Mayank Saini as well. The second or the third Raiders are now being the just say they desperately wanted to stop him. That was the problem, and they gave up a lot of points between the back line and the
running hand touch. Chambal challengers now come the other way, looking to get that point. Of course, Ajay Marvi, can he get through? Yes, he.
previous editions, and even here he's got the numbers to do it. And again, Ajay Maravi. So
Raid. It is a possibility. Can he get through? The dash is coming. Has it been successful? No. Business and first class. This is exactly what I am witnessing here. And we
you will have to play the finals if Chambal challengers need to go through to the grand finale. Angelol attempted once again from that right corner Sunday afternoon. There's trying to adjust the defensive wall, but here Ashish Dilbagh Singh. I also heard Kalidas shout out as a do or die raid. It should be one. Anti-block, turn, use the lobby and escape. Good one.
see the entire angle. We can see the referees, we can see the players watching all of it. And take a look at this. We get the best of both worlds on screen, on the mat as well, just like this wonderful raid.
Challenger. Jasmine out.
And even the bonus. Probably if there's any replay, if you can see that, it would be nice. But yes, the officials have agreed to it.
Smartly secured there, and here Ajay Marvi looks to do the same thing. On the other side, he's gotten a point along with it. Is it?
It took a while coming in, but yeah.
Ajay now in the do or die raid will try to do just that. A bit error from the chain over there.
Challenges, that's a really nice route that he stopped. Looking good, and not a nice route for the escape.
Tackle. 2 points.
It happened via the second raider, who's Pulchandra Mishra. Pulchandra Mishra, yeah, not in the best of forms as of now. This Lakshman Lal also tries to support Sonal Atwal. No, hang on, is there a jersey pulled by the raider? Is there a jersey pulled by the raider?
1 point.
Yeah, raider out.
Challenge.
Questioning the top raider of the team. Why are you not going to the do or die raid?
Join the code.
Nice call.
Gave them
Challenges. It might be tough. So he needs to go out there and wipe this out because they're all defenders. Brilliantly done. First run. Nice work. Real nice work. And the all out inflicted.
1 + 3 points.
No Ajay Maravi. And the all out
Challenger.
is evident. So reviving Sanskar Mishra time and again. Whoa, that's a strong tie hold.
take the pressure off. Now the pressure is all of a sudden built on them because for majority of the first half they had the lead, and now they will lose.
He's been tackled out. They're targeting him, and Sonal Atwal doesn't struggle. He doesn't struggle, he gives
1
up.
point.
This has
Chambal
been his
Challenger.
hallmark of the game. He never. And tell me why. He could have just sent in Hemant Sinha, and that's all. What is this? Wait, hang on. Yeah, now I can talk. Because he does nothing apart from. That is what is needed. And here, Ajay Maravi is the lone star. That's the first point ever
You
in.
can see him committing an error, being in a situation where he can't escape. This time he has the power, he has the strength, and a block like that is not enough to stop Sonu, the Hulk.
Good guidance.
And also reminds us how they are studying the game from outside, and this time the defender did not study the game. He just committed himself toward holding the raider from the left corner.
Right? Coulson is playing like a wildfire. And he's got a point as well. Oh! Yeah, because Kim, remember what Manish Yadav told. Lambu jab बैठ के मारेगा तभी पकड़ना है. That's all. Only when he goes down like that you can tackle him, and that's the right timing for the ankle hold from Sujit Sonkar. Amazing.
1 + 3 points.
And the all out has been inflicted, Ryan. Chambal challengers are back into this.
There we Ajay Marvi comes the other side,
wow.
and the tackle has come through. Chambal challengers have lost that point, and Ladakh will tie the game.
We need a tie, and the first. But then